I thought we could look at the gardens together on my way home from work. Or the lack of gardens. It's so humid out today, but it's much better than snow. It's weird how some hydrangeas are so like white and the other ones have turned color already. Or not turned yet, like those ones. Well, I guess that's all of the gardens on that street. Okay, we'll continue going this way. Maybe there'll be more gardens. We're just waiting for the people to cross because we don't run over people on this YouTube channel. Okay, let's take a look up this street. See who's got gardens. Oh, I see a hydrangea tree coming up. I love those. Where's all the flowers? Oh, here's a whole bunch of rows of Sharons. Did you know that in Jamaica and the Caribbean, oh, that's a nice garden. In Jamaica and the Caribbean, they use the rose of Sharon and the hibiscus as a fence, like around their property. You know, I've seen all kinds of flowers, people's gardens, when I don't have the camera on. The Rose of Sharons this year are awesome. So pretty.
Jose Barrios gets the start in game one. That'll go at 7:07. You can watch it on Sportsnet and listen on